This module is going to show you what you'll see when you log in as an educator, using your own username and password. There's a separate module which shows you what a student sees when they log in. The screen you can see now is what we call the Educator Welcome Screen. This is the first screen you see when you log in as an educator. We'll take a look at the main elements first. When you click on the Manage Students button, you'll see a list of all the students on your account. You can click on a name to see their profile and access their logs. We'll show you briefly. When we click on Manage Classes, you'll see all the classes on your account in the same way. Again, by clicking on a chosen class, you can see their progress and manage that class. Above these two buttons, there is information about your account. It shows you how many student licenses you have and how many are currently in use. It also shows you how many days remain on your annual account. If you have the right educator access, you'll be able to click on the subscription button to increase your student numbers or renew your account. You'll also be able to change the settings which apply to your whole school. Now in the top right-hand corner there's a button which takes you to the support site. We'd encourage you to explore this as soon as you can, as it gives you access to articles on managing your account and teaching your students. There are also lots of downloadable resources which you can print out. Under the Support button, there is a section marked Tours. This gives you a quick reminder of some of the main functions you need when you first get started. We'll briefly show you the first one on creating a student. As you can see, this shows you the process and gives you some hints on using that process. Underneath the Tools button, there's a section marked Help Articles, and this gives you a direct link to some of the most useful help articles on the support site. Under that is a section headed Notifications. You'll get notifications when students complete assigned work, have been awarded a certificate for completing a level, or have overdue work. Now let's have a look at the purple buttons under Manage Students and Manage Classes. The first of these is Custom Word Lists. As an educator, you can create two types of word list. You can create personal lists, which are only for one student, or you can create custom word lists, which we're looking at now, and these are accessible by all of the students on your account. As you can see here, you can break these down into topics, and this is a great way to build up customized resources to support your own teaching, topics or materials. Every list you create can be used again and again. You'll also get a complete set of worksheets for each list that you've created. The next button is called the Store button. This is a shopping cart which enables you to purchase workbooks or supplementary resources directly through your login. The Student Simulator is a really handy tool which provides you with a teaching or demonstration resource and also enables you to access any activity on the program as if you were a student. There's a separate unit on this Student Simulator button. The last of the purple buttons enables you to invite your colleagues to join your account as educators. we would recommend that everyone working with students has their own Educator login. There's no cost to these anyway, and you can decide what functions are appropriate for each person. If any of these purple buttons are greyed out, this means that your Educator login doesn't have the role to access that function. This can be changed by the main administrator on your account, if necessary. So this section has given you an overview of your Educator Welcome Screen and the main functions it enables you to do.